How do you decide when to roll? For example, when do you roll a put credit spread if the underlying moves against you? Are there any general rules to follow? Specifically, do you roll when the underlying touches the short put or when you get closer to expiration? Generally, the term roll means, we use two terms. We use one term, which is adjust. And we use another term, which is roll. Roll means you're going from the current month to the next month. And for us to roll, we do that at 21 DT, regardless of where the underlying is. It doesn't matter to us. We're not gonna, since it's a defined risk put credit spread, the chances of us rolling early for that, it's not very high. We're probably gonna roll right around that 21 DT. Now, will we adjust that trade before that? And how do you adjust a short credit spread? Maybe you could sell a call spread against it, or maybe it just, I don't know. There's not much else you can do. We're not gonna buy it back and change the strikes. So we really, with defined risk credit spreads, unless we're gonna sell a call spread against it, there's not much we do except roll it forward at 21 DTE, and we really don't care whether it's touched or it's still out of the money, whatever it is, because it's defined risk. So we're not going to do too much with that.